All right, guys, hello. So we are not going to necessarily go over plot because you should know plot. We are just going to insert a picture and I'm just going to kind of explain it super quickly. So you are going to need your notebook and the hub. So if you go to the hub and you are on the page English 2, whatever class you have, and you go to plans under Monday, October 5th, sorry, you should see all of these right here, right? So this is for my pre-AP class, but the first thing that you should have right there is this photo. It should say plot PNG if you go to resources. So if you go to Monday, October 5th, the first thing you should see is plot.png. You're going to go ahead and click that resource. Once you click that resource, you should see right here in the top right corner, it says download. You are literally going to click that download. And then you're going to say allow if it asks you. All right, so then you will see it right here. Okay, don't exit out, leave it right here. Then you're going to head to your notebook. General Ed, you are going to go to slide 33. On slide 32, you should have notes over what good readers do. And on slide 33, we are going to insert this picture. So what you are going to do is you're going to click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Notice what I did there. I went to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. And then I'm just going to go ahead and look for that title. It says Plot 1. Oh, I don't see it in my pictures, Miss Salyer. Interesting. If you don't see it in your pictures right here, you can go to Downloads, and it should be downloaded. So I'm going to click here and click Open once I have it highlighted, and then I will just make it bigger and center it so it fills up this whole page. Now, to go over plot, obviously, I know that you know the 5 parts of plot. Exposition is the beginning, where we learn about story, the characters of the story, and the setting. The rising action is where the main character faces a series of conflicts. The climax is the most important part of the story, where we learn the outcome. Falling action is the events leading to the end of the story, and then obviously the resolution is the end of the story. That middle part right here between exposition and rising action, I put an X because that is usually when the problem is introduced. When a problem is introduced, that means that it is the end of the exposition and the beginning of the rising action. Like I said, you should have known this all already. I didn't want to go over notes really fast with y'all or go take a lot of time to do notes with y'all. So go ahead and insert this picture into your notebook on slide 33 and let me know in the chat when you are finished.